Select H2 times 2 early bird 29 71 dice roll 6 times. Teams first 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 here, 6 here. Texans up top, Jets at the bottom. 6 times now on your names. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 here, 6 here. Brett Carmen up top. Mike Villarreal at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Texans didn't sort, they're up top. Everybody else did. There's your squads. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck, everybody. Let's see some nice color. Let's see some gold. Let's see a green. Let's hit another black 101. Be pretty sick. Here we go. Good luck. Gold, first pack, what I tell you. Cameron Dicker, Lamar Jackson, Chris Olave, Christian Harris for the Texans. On the gold disco, Houston. Going to Brett Carmen. 7 out of 10 on the Concourse Gold Disco. Isaiah Likely and Trey Hendrickson. I'm telling you, this H2 is too good, guys. Anytime H2 hits the screen, it should snap. It should snap fill every time. Jake Ferguson, Alec Pierce, Adam Thielen, silver. Herbie to 49 for the Chargers. .46 out of 49, Pierre Strong and Cade York. We got blue to 25. Silver, Kyron Williams. Zay Jones to 25, Deontay and Channing Tindall. Zay Jones for the Jags to 25. 3 out of 25, Kyron on the silver rook for the Rams. Base disco, Khalil Shakir, Damian Pierce, Kenyon Green, and Chig for the Titans. Nice Pierce on the sweet level disco. Nick Bolton for the Chiefs to 49, Herbie and AJ Terrell. Got blue to 25. Silver, Baker Mayfield. Chris Olave to 25 for the Saints. That's sick. Saints going to Nate Sosha. There you go, Nate. You nabbed you a nice one. 8 out of 25 on the Olave blue disco. Terrell Bernard and another Olave on the base. 2 packs left. Good luck. Taylor, K9. Damone Clark, silver. Mike Evans to 49, Dak and T-Law. Evans on the red sweet level. For the Buccaneers, going to Jose Perez. 38 out of 49, Damone Clark on the silver. And K9 on the rook. T-Law, Austin Eckler, Disco, Orlando Brown, and Marlon Humphrey. Quick recap. Evans to 49, Olave to 25, Bolton to 49, Damian Pierce. The Disco, Zay Jones to 25, Herbie. And gold, Christian Harris, 7 out of 10. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.